Hey y'all, welcome to Terry Lynn Lives. Yep, that's me, Terry Lynn. I have spent some time with Habitat for Humanity. I have been volunteering for many years and never posted one video. But let me tell you about Habitat for Humanity. It is a global nonprofit housing organization working in local communities across all 50 states in the U.S. and in approximately 7 countries. Habitat's vision is of a world where everyone has a decent place to live. And together we build innovative housing solutions. Every safe and affordable home sparks wider change, leading to better health, education, and well-being, more economic growth, and less poverty. Peace of mind and the ability to focus on what matters most. It all starts with a home. But we have so much more to do. 1 in 3 people on earth still don't have a safe, affordable home. So we asked you, get involved. Together we build homes, community, and hope. It's one mission, 50 years, 65 plus million lives. Decent, affordable shelter provides families with a place to gather and grow. Even more, by working with Habitat to achieve affordable home ownership, families can transform their lives. Affordable home ownership that free families from stress and fear, helping build stability and confidence. Studies show that strong and stable households are foundational to child development and growth. When a home fosters instead of hinders health and safety, families can flourish. Owning an affordable home also allows homeowners to lift up their entire family by saving for their futures and investing in educational opportunities, bolstering job opportunities, and long-term career. You can get data and surveys about the impacts that Habitat for Humanity has made on Habitat. Good morning. It is Terry Lynn of Terry Lynn Lives, and I am working with Habitat for Humanity today. I told my friends I was building a house, but not really. I'm actually helping with doing trim, doing all the finishing painting along the way, as you can see. Baseboards, window sills, things like that. And you can hear the people in the background. We even got Motown playing today. But I was painting, I was thinking, since I'm doing little bits of paint, just little bits of paint, I was thinking about it's a little thing, but how the little things count. The house we're working on today, the homeowner happens to be here. She is planning to live with her, 3-bedroom?
3-bedroom home, yes.
3-bedroom. How many bathrooms?
Total of 2 bathrooms.
Total of 2 bathrooms. And she's getting it through Habitat for Humanity. But it seems like there is a serious process. So she is really going to earn this house.
Yes.
And we are very happy for her. Congratulations, Ms. Maya.
Thank you.
And look, they even feed us. It was a great day. We had lots of fun and we got lots of work done. This group shot really sums up the spirit of the day. Hard work, laughter, and a hope for the family who will soon call this house a home. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Toodles.